Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I'm going to share with you one that's the normally session ever. And this battle, we are going to see how it's going to end because Governor Soludo himself finally respond to Father Ebube. Now, I want you to listen to Father Ebube, what he said and why he was so angry. Now, listen to him and I'll be right back.
Can you imagine? Now, the suspects who were apprehended for the death of Honorable Azoka from Labour Party is not from Apuga. He was not from Apuga, but Labour Party. The suspects who were apprehended were handed over to ANAMBRA State Security. Please, how come that two of them escaped from the prison? Can you imagine? Only two of them. Who is deceiving who? Anambra State should rise. That means it has a what? That was a political killing. And those involved, they have bribed their way. Because those people, they wouldn't want those people to expose them. Who is fooling who in this state? You can imagine. Two suspects, two major suspects, and there is still government in the state. Inhumanity of man to man. Once you are connected to the powers that be, then you are under perpetual immunity. But let everybody, let even Charles Soludo remember that there is God. In anything you are doing in this world, there is God. Santu says, him who sits in the heaven last. How come two suspects who were arrested, who were linked to the killing of innocent man, Honorable Azoka from Onitsha, let the people of Onitsha do arise? What really happened? A whole Onitsha. An honorable member from Onitsha was killed. I say, keep it quiet. I said it earlier. You are on your own. There is this strange, strange demonic force and the wind hovering around Anambra. Now, if you are connected, you are able. Even those kidnappers, they were linked. Some of them were linked to high profile. Even some PGs were mentioned. Some Igwes. Where are they today? None of them have been arrested because they bribed their way. I wonder. Soludo is not in charge of this state at all. Because they wanted to cover somebody. They wanted to cover a crime. That's why they quietly allowed those people to escape in order to cover Mbaka. Onitsha people, you must rise. You must ask the government of Anambra State, the killers of your brother, or the spirit of Azoka will not rest. And so many people who were killed, who had been killed in Anambra State, and covered just like that. Let their spirit arise and fight. Amen. God will give you divine security as a reward. Amen. Oh.
So Governor Soludo did not stop there. He had to respond to Reverend Father Ebube. He said, my open letter to an emerging political prince, Reverend Father Emmanuel Obinna Ebube Muonso. I have tried very hard not to join issues with you or any prince of God. But listening to you lately reminds me that you have lost it completely and would need to be called to order. I am aware that every masquerade dancing has those that beat drum for him nearby. That is why you have continued your many unguided utterances against the governor of our beloved states. I watched and listened to a clip where you accuse the governor of Anambra State of knowing those behind the kidnap. The suspects were arrested and handed over to police as due process prescribed. It is only political to blame the governor for their escape from police custody. Dear Father Emmanuel, I understand that the existence of liturgy like yourself and your many or money-making virtues known as the Holy Ghost Adoration Ministry like is possible because of several loopholes in our communities or in our laws. Now, Governor Soludo went further to say that you are not a man of God. They say that I think it is high time you are told plainly that your activities and words are not those of someone who should be called the man of God. But then they even quote 1 Timothy chapter 2 verse 1 to 4 according to St. Paul. Then they went further to say that I think you have believed that having many blindfolded online followers and a congregation, you can now decide the political situation in the states. That is why during every election campaign, you open the doors of your adoration ministry to all politicians and all aspirants, accepting gifts and promises from them, and offering prayers and prophecy to them in return. The season is now, and you are already advertising for your customers in their numbers. So, with so many other words that was said according to the report when they respond to Father Ebube, it is not really easy at all. Una know say Governor Soludo don hold all the chief priests ransom, all of them. Governor Soludo said if you have the power, vanish, in fact, disappear from the prison, then you are a free man. Now, being that Father Ebube say how those people take escape, he hold Governor Soludo responsible that he is aware of everything that happened. You watch the video. So in return, they said Father Ebube did not have the Spirit of God, that it's time for politics or it's time for election. That is why they are not using him to speak against the governor. That is already trading already. He's already advertising for the person that he wants to support to be the next governor of Anambra State. So, my beautiful family, I bring this case before you. What is your take on this issue? Did you see reason with what Father Ebube just said? Or did you agree with Governor Soludo that Governor Soludo is not aware of everything, how these people escape? But come to think of it, who are the police on duty then? They have a lot of questions to answer. So, my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do it to like the video, share, and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.